Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to turn off your active status on Facebook Messenger so people won't see when you're online. So let's go. Okay, first open the Messenger app on your phone and tap on the menu icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And now tap on Settings. Locate the active status button and tap on it. You'll see a toggle that says show when you're active. Tap it to turn it off. Okay, a prompt like this will appear. So I'd like to pause my active status for 8 hours, but you can choose any of them and then tap pause. Done. Now you are invisible. No green dot, no active now status. Turning off your active status means you won't be able to see when others are online either. So it works both ways. And yes, that's how you turn off your active status on Messenger. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and like, subscribe and tap the notification bell for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.